Success Secrets. First Steps to Success. Building Your Foundation. Introduction.
Welcome to Success Secrets. My name is Rob Keys, and I'm here to guide you on your journey toward achieving your dreams. Today, we're starting at the very beginning. If you've never studied success principles before, or if you feel like you're starting from zero, this message is especially for you. Think of success like learning to walk. No one begins by running a marathon. First, you learn to stand, then take a single step, then another and another. Success works exactly the same way. Today, we're going to learn how to stand, how to build the foundation that makes all other success possible.
Understanding what success really means.
Before we can achieve success, we need to understand what success actually is. Many people think success means having a lot of money, fame, or power. But true success is much more personal. Success means achieving goals that matter to you. It means growing as a person and becoming better today than you were yesterday. It means creating a life that brings you fulfillment and makes a positive difference to others. The first step in your success journey is to give yourself permission to define success in your own terms. What would make you feel proud? What would give your life meaning? What accomplishments would bring you joy? Your answers to these questions are the beginnings of your personal success definition.
The power of belief.
Once you understand what success means to you, the next fundamental step is believing that success is possible for you. Many people struggle with success because deep down they don't believe they deserve it or can achieve it. They carry limiting beliefs like, people like me don't succeed, or I'm not smart enough, or I have failed too many times already. These beliefs act like anchors, holding you in place no matter how hard you try to move forward. Before you can achieve success, you must first believe that success is possible for you. How do you build this belief? Start small. Set a tiny goal you know you can achieve, then achieve it. Then set another small goal and achieve that too. Each small victory builds your belief muscle. Each accomplishment proves to yourself that you can do what you set out to do. Remember, your beliefs shape your actions, and your actions create your results. Change your beliefs, and you change everything.
The simple starting point. Daily habits.
Success is not created by occasional huge efforts. It's built through small and consistent actions performed day after day. These are your habits, and they are the foundation stones of all achievement. Think about brushing your teeth. You do not decide each day whether you feel like doing it. You do not need motivation or inspiration. You just do it because it's a habit, an automatic part of your day. Success works the same way. When success-producing actions become habits, you no longer need to rely on willpower or motivation. You simply do what needs to be done automatically. Let's start with 3 fundamental success habits that anyone can begin today.
Habit 1. The 5-minute morning plan.
Start each morning with just 5 minutes of planning. Write down the 3 most important tasks that will drive you toward your goals. These aren't just any tasks, they are the ones that truly matter. By making this a daily habit, you take control of your day instead of simply reacting to whatever comes your way.
Habit 2. The daily learning practice.
Successful people are lifelong learners. Dedicate at least 15 minutes each day to personal growth. Read a few pages of a great book, listen to an educational podcast, or watch a tutorial. This simple habit keeps you evolving, improving, and staying ahead.
Habit 3. The evening review.
Before bed, take 5 minutes to reflect on your day. Ask yourself, what went well? What did I learn? How can I improve tomorrow? This simple habit turns daily experiences into powerful lessons for growth. These 3 habits require just 25 minutes of your day, but they create a foundation for success that will serve you for a lifetime.
Understanding the success cycle.
Now that we have some basic habits in place, let's understand how success actually happens. Success follows a predictable 4-step cycle.
Step 1.
Clarity. You get clear about exactly what you want and why you want it.
Step 2.
Planning. You create a simple plan to achieve what you want.
Step 3.
Action. You take consistent action on your plan, even when it's difficult.
Step 4.
Feedback. You pay attention to the results you're getting, learn from them, and adjust your approach. Then you repeat this cycle again and again, getting better each time. Most people who struggle with success are missing one of these 4 steps. They either do not know what they really want, do not have a clear plan, do not take consistent action, or do not learn from their results. By understanding this cycle, you can identify which step you're missing and focus on improving it.
The power of your environment.
Another fundamental success principle is understanding that your environment shapes your behavior. Your environment includes the people you spend time with, the physical spaces you occupy, the information you consume, the tools you have available. If you want to succeed, create an environment that makes success easier and failure harder. For example, surround yourself with people who support your goals and inspire you to grow. Organize your physical space to minimize distractions and maximize productivity. Consume information that educates and motivates you rather than discourages or distracts you. Make sure you have the basic tools you need to succeed at your chosen goals. Small changes to your environment can produce dramatic changes in your behavior and results. If you want to exercise more, put your workout clothes next to your bed. If you want to eat healthier, keep healthy foods visible and unhealthy foods out of sight. If you want to learn more, keep books where you can see them and limit easy access to streaming services. Your environment is either working for you or against you. Make it work for you.
The beginner's mindset.
As you start your success journey, one of your greatest advantages is being a beginner. Why? Because beginners have less to unlearn. They approach tasks with curiosity rather than assumptions. They ask questions that experts overlook. Embrace being a beginner. Be curious. Ask questions. Try new approaches. Don't worry about looking foolish. Everyone who has ever mastered anything started as a beginner. The most successful people in any field maintain a beginner's mindset even after they have achieved mastery. They stay curious, open to new ideas, and willing to challenge their own assumptions.
Overcoming initial challenges.
As you begin your success journey, you will face challenges. This is normal and expected. Here is how to handle the most common early obstacles.
Challenge 1. Fear.
Fear is natural when you try something new. The key is to acknowledge your fear, then act despite it. Remember, courage is not the absence of fear, it is action in the presence of fear. Start with small actions that stretch your comfort zone slightly. Each small victory builds confidence for the next challenge.
Challenge 2. Confusion.
When learning new success principles, confusion is normal. There is so much information available that it can feel overwhelming. The solution is to focus on fundamentals first. Master the basics before moving to advanced concepts. When you feel confused, return to the simple practices we have discussed today.
Challenge 3. Inconsistency.
Many beginners start strong, but struggle with consistency. They miss a day of their new habits, feel like failures, and give up entirely. Remember that perfection is not the goal, progress is. If you miss a day, simply return to your habits the next day. One missed day doesn't erase your progress unless you let it.
Success begins in the mind.
As we conclude today's foundation message, remember this: all success begins in your mind before it becomes reality. Your thoughts create your feelings. Your feelings drive your actions. Your actions produce your results. This means that taking control of your thoughts is the first and most important step toward success. Monitor your internal dialogue. When you catch yourself thinking disempowering thoughts like "I can't" or "this is too hard," consciously replace them with empowering alternatives like "I'm learning" or "I can figure this out." Your mind is like a garden. Negative thoughts are weeds that grow automatically if you do not tend it. Positive, empowering thoughts are flowers that need to be planted and nurtured. Tend your mental garden daily by filling it with positive, success-oriented thoughts.
Your first success assignment.
Now it is time for action. Here is your first success assignment. 1. Take 5 minutes to write down what success means to you right now. Do not worry about getting it perfect. Your definition will evolve over time. 2. Choose one of the 3 fundamental habits we discussed and commit to practicing it daily for the next 7 days. 3. Identify one small environment change you can make this week to support your success. These 3 simple actions will start building momentum toward the success you desire.
Conclusion.
You have taken the first step on your success journey by listening to this message. That already puts you ahead of the many people who dream of success but never take action to achieve it. Remember, success is not about being perfect or making huge leaps. It is about taking small, consistent steps in the right direction. It is about building fundamental habits that create results over time. It's about believing in yourself enough to start, and then starting before you feel fully ready. No matter where you are beginning from, even if it feels like absolute zero, you have everything you need to take your first step toward success today. Thank you for joining us for this first success secret. This is just the beginning. Keep moving forward, keep learning, and keep taking action. Your journey to extraordinary success has already begun.
If you found this valuable, make sure to subscribe for more success secrets. This has been another success secret, helping you unlock your potential in 10 minutes or less. Your journey to greatness starts here.